This is our 85 Ultra Slim Series. The front's visible width is only 48 mm and the sash's visible width is about 77.7 mm. It's slimmer than most other windows in the market. This ultra slim design maximizes giving you a large wide view. We use 6060 T66 aluminum profiles. It is strong enough to support large glass panels. Furthermore, the wall thickness is over 20 mm, which means great structural strength and excellent wind resistance. On top of that, it has a vertical Isothermal Line Design, 35.3 mm extra wide multi-cavity PA66 nylon heat insulation strip, heat insulation and energy saving. Our products have obtained NFRC thermal performance certification with a lowest U value of 0.21 and the SHGC value of 0.23. We also hold AMA3 performance certification with a level up to CWPG 60A3 level. This series can be made with fixed windows, inward opening and inward turning windows. We also use EPDM automotive grade ceiling strips to extend the window's lifespan. For hardware, we use German Signia components paired with German FSB handles up to 10 years of service life.
Stay with Wellste, know more window and door knowledge.